Hey there, welcome back. My name is Katie if you're new to my channel, and this is Louisiana Cooking and Living. And today we're doing our last Christmas breakfast idea, and we're doing stuffed French toast. Let's give this a look. We got stuffed with cream cheese and raspberries. So good. All right, this will be our last Christmas breakfast in our little series here, and we're just going to go ahead and get started on how to make this stuffed French toast. Okay, so we're gonna make our filling first. So what I have is I just bought a container of the whipped cream cheese just to make it easier. If you wanted to get regular cream cheese and then let it soften and whip it yourself, you certainly can do that. But I just wanted to go this easy route today. So we're gonna get this in here. Next, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, I think I'm going to do a splash of vanilla, and this we're going to stuff with raspberries. You could certainly do strawberries or blueberries or whatever kind of fruit you want to use. You could probably use like a preserve instead of fresh fruit. I have these raspberries, so I'm just going to use these. I'm going to cut them in 4s. That way when I stir them, they will mix in a little better. So I'm going to get these cut up. Let's give this a stir and take a look to see if we need more. Actually, I'm going to get a little bit of salt to put in here. Just going to throw a pinch of salt in. And that looks like a good amount. All right. You could even use the already flavored cream cheese if you didn't want to put the berries in it. So next what I'm going to do is I got this vanilla brioche bread. You could use whatever kind of bread that you would like. I like the brioche just because of the texture of it. And it also comes in a whole loaf typically, and you could just make the slices whatever size you want. When I bought this one, they had a chocolate one that would be good too if you wanted to do that. I thought the vanilla would be good with this recipe though. So we'll get this out of the pan. I'm going to do kind of a thick slice on this. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my little paring knife, and I'm going to do a slit in the bottom like this. This bread smells so good. It smells almost like a donut. I didn't go all the way through. I just went partially through. What I'm going to do is I have a piping bag here. I like to keep these on hand for different applications, not just for icing. You could always use like a Ziploc bag and cut the corner off, but we're going to use the piping bag. I'm going to start off by cutting off a little tip of this just to let the air push out as I fill it with my filling. All right, I'm gonna cut my tip a little bigger. I'll kind of cut it at an angle too, so it'd help me get it in that bread easier. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of stick my tip in here and kind of fill that little pocket we made. Just like that. All right, I'm gonna get all these filled, and then we're gonna make up our little, our dredge dip, egg wash to dip these in. All right, let me get these filled. All right, we have all of these stuffed, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 eggs. I'm going to give these a good whisk. I'm going to put a pinch of salt in here. We're going to add it's about a 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup of milk. I'm going to add some vanilla. You could certainly add cinnamon to this. I'm thinking with the raspberry, I'm not really going to add the cinnamon to it. All right, this is our little batter, so we're going to move over to the stove top. I have my cast iron skillet heating up, and we're going to get these cooked up. All right, I'm going to get some butter in my skillet to be able to fry these in. I'm going to dip my bread in my batter here, or egg wash, and place that in the skillet. All right, let's see about giving these a flip. was trying to think of some different ways to kind of dress up our plate here to make our Christmas breakfast special. And I had some extra filling. And so what I think I'm going to do is just to make this filling a little lighter. I have some whipped cream here. I think I'm going to add some of this whipped cream in here, fold it in. And we'll use this as a side or to dip our French toast in. Just going to fold it to make it light. Do a little bit more. All right, I'll put some of this on my plate. I'm going to put a couple of these raspberries right here. If you want to use some maple syrup, we'll drizzle some maple syrup over. And I think a good powdered sugar sprinkling. Almost like it snowed on your plate. Alrighty, we're going to give this a taste test. All right, let's give it a try. Dip it in our little concoction we got here on the side. That vanilla is so good. A little bit of tanginess from the cream cheese, the vanilla, the maple syrup, it's all so good together. I hope you give this recipe a try. And if you haven't seen all the different breakfast recipes, I'm gonna leave the playlist linked right here. And you can check out my Christmas playlist. It's got breakfasts, it's got different treats if you wanna make treats to give out to your friends. I know it's kind of last minute now at this point, but you can get it done. I know you can, because most of my treats are very quick and easy to make. And I hope you have a Merry Christmas and celebrate Jesus for Christmas and have so much fun with your friends and family. And we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.